Hello friends, welcome back to Giggling Minds Flavors. Here is another episode of Diwali special sweet, Karanji or sweet poori. Let's list out the ingredients. Maida, 1.5 cup. Grated coconut, 1 cup. Sugar, 1 cup. White sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon. Khaskhas, 1 tablespoon. Ghee, 1 tablespoon. Salt, a pinch. Here we start the preparation. Empty the maida in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Mix well. Add hot ghee into it and mix well. Use a spoon initially as the ghee is hot and then use your hand to mix it. You can optionally use oil too instead of ghee. Pour water and knead well and make it into a dough. Cover it and leave it for at least half an hour. Now let's make the stuffing. Heat the pan, add grated coconut to it and stir fry until the water content is completely removed. When the color changes to light brown, shift it to a container. Let it cool. Fry khaskhas. Allow it to cool. Fry sesame seeds. Let it splutter and allow it to cool. Once the grated coconut gets cold, put it in a mixer along with sugar and 2 cardamoms. Blend it roughly. White sesame seeds, khaskhas, add it to the bowl and mix well. Now let's make poori. Make balls out of the dough, just like you do it for chapati. Do not dust with maida powder while rolling the pooris as we normally do. Use oil instead. This is to prevent the stuffing from coming out while frying. With the help of a roller, make it into a medium thick circle. Place 1 tablespoon of stuffing in the center of it. If you are a sweet lover, you may add a little more stuffing. Fold it to half as shown here. Press the corner so that the stuffing doesn't come out. Now use your finger and seal the edges like this. You can also use a mold if you have one, but ensure you grease it with oil before using it. Here we use the traditional method. Now heat the oil in a pan for deep frying. Once the oil gets heated well, lower the flame and release the poori into the oil for deep frying so that it comes out crispy. Turn it and cook the other side also. Once it turns golden brown, shift it to a strainer. Delicious Karanji is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please share us the images of your preparation to the mail ID given in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll come up with another Diwali special soon. Until then, stay safe. Thank you.